Going to discuss what is MATLAB. So MATLAB, I have told you that is the full form. MATLAB is the matrix laboratory. It is called the matrix laboratory. It's a high level programming language and interactive environment developed by the MathWork. It is widely used for the numerical computation, data analysis, visualization, and the algorithm development. MATLAB core lies in its matrix approach to computation, making it efficient for solving the complex mathematical program problems, particularly in fields such as engineering, science, and finance. With a vast array to built-in function and the toolboxes, MATLAB offers capabilities for the data manipulation, plotting, simulation, and modeling. Its interactive interface, extensive documentation, and the cross-platform compatibility make it preferred choice for researchers, engineers, and educators worldwide. So this is a brief introduction about the MATLAB. So MATLAB is an interactive uh, matrix-based system for the algorithm development, graphic user interface design, data analysis, data visualization, and the numerical computation. So this is the basic definition of the MATLAB. So MATLAB first assembly. After that, this is a high level language such as C Pascal. So it is better than the C language or the Pascal. So why we use MATLAB? So MATLAB is used mainly for the algorithm development and the data visualization. Algorithm can be implemented and tested more quickly and easily than the traditional programming languages. Quickly get numerical and the graphic answers to matrix and the vector related maths problem. This is a way to solve the numerical problems without actually writing a program. Built-in tools, no complex programming language needed. MATLAB focuses on ease of use and the quick development. The MATLAB can be also used like it can be used for the numerical computation. Numerical computation. MATLAB excels at performing the complex mathematical computation, especially involving the matrix, vectors, and arrays. Its built-in function and the operators simplify tasks such as the matrix manipulation, linear algebra, and the numerical computation. Second one, it can be used for the data analysis. Data analysis means MATLAB provides the powerful tool for the data analysis, including the statistical function, curve fitting algorithm, machine learning techniques, and many more. It enables the researchers and the analysts to explore, visualize, and interpret large data set efficiently. Third one, it can be used for the visualization. Visualization. MATLAB offers the extensive plotting and the visualization capabilities, allowing users to create high quality 2D and 3D plots, graphs, charts, and the images. Visualization aids in understanding the data trends, patterns, and the relationships. Next one, that is the algorithm development. In the algorithm development, MATLAB facilitates the development and testing of the algorithm for the various applications, including the signal processing, image processing, control system, and the optimization. Its intuitive syntax and the debugging tools streamline the program development process. Next one, the simulation and the modeling. Simulation and modeling. MATLAB commonly used for the prototyping and the prototyping for of the algorithms and the systems before implementation in the real world application. Its rapid prototyping capabilities allows for the quick iteration and validation for the ideas. Next one, the education purposes. Education purposes. MATLAB is widely used in the academic setting for the teaching and the learning mathematics, engineering, and the scientific concepts. Its interactive and the environment and the extensive documentation make it accessible for the students and the educators. Seventh one uh, is the cross-disciplinary application. Cross-disciplinary applications. MATLAB finds the application across the various disciplines, including the engineering, physics, bio, finance, and economics. Its broad range of functions and the toolboxes make it suitable for the solving the diverse problems in the different domain. Next one is the integration with other tools. Integration with the other tools. MATLAB integrates seamlessly with the other software tools and the programming languages, allowing for the interoperability and the collaboration. It supports integration with the external libraries, APIs, and the language like the Python, C, C++, and the Java. Next one, the industry standards and tools. Industry industry standards and tools. Many industries and the research institutions use MATLAB as the standard tool for the data analysis, simulation, and the algorithm development. Its widespread adoption and the community supports make it a reliable choice for the professionals in the various fields. So this is what about the why we use the MATLAB, what is the basic definition of the MATLAB. Thank you.